I will show you step by step how to buy a mutual fund using the Vanguard website. Hey everyone, my name is Andy from Twin Finances, a channel where we talk about everything from personal finance to credit cards. To get started, log into the Vanguard website, then in the top left, click Transact, then buy and sell. Enter the symbol of the mutual fund that you're trying to buy. In this example, I would just do VT Sachs and then click get quote. You can see info about the mutual fund, such as the price, as well as an investment minimum if there is one. If you don't have enough for the investment minimum, what you can do instead is to buy the ETF version of the mutual fund that you're trying to buy. You can easily find the ETF version of the mutual fund by going to the Vanguard page about the specific mutual fund that you're trying to buy. And then here you can see how it says it's also available as an ETF. If you click on this, this is the page that shows. So VTI is the ETF version of VT Sachs, and there are no investment minimums when buying ETFs. So what you can do is you can just keep buying VTI, and once you have $3,000 worth of VTI, then you can sell all of it and start buying VT Sachs instead. Going back to the mutual fund, assuming you do have enough, just click buy, select your account where you want to buy your mutual fund, input the amount. I would just do $1 for this example, then click continue order. Make sure you have enough funds to make your purchase, and then click preview order. Make sure all the info on the left is correct, then click submit order. And now you have successfully bought a mutual fund on Vanguard.